I hope this turns out good. Fit for brunch. Because the stuff is... Are you freaking kidding me? This is so good. One hand complete. Spring is coming very, very soon. I think it's next week. It's literally this Tuesday, March 19th. Since spring is coming, I wanted to do like a little glow up day. I just need a freshening up from rotting my bed pretty much all winter long. We're just gonna refresh ourselves, get into the spring mood. But not only do I want to look good, I want to feel really good. So tomorrow I'm taking a Pilates class. I'm taking reformer Pilates, which I've never done before in my whole entire life. And I'm honestly a little scared because the videos that I always look up, people are struggling. Hopefully I don't like die on the little machine. And then tomorrow I'm also going out to a brunch for my cousin's birthday, so this is like perfect because I'll be all glowed up by then. I'm just starting off simple with my nails. These are from Static Nails. You guys already know Static Nails are the best press-ons that I use. So yeah, let's finish these nails up and then I'm gonna eat because I am hungry. I'm still like not the best at putting these on. From a close-up, they do look a little press-on-y, but you know what? From afar, they look good. For breakfast, I'm having avocado toast with cottage cheese and sausage. Eat a little bit healthier this morning because last night I had a packet of the spicy bulldog ramen noodles. Those noodles are so good, but they always mess up my stomach. Me and my mom are gonna go on a walk right now, just to the stop sign and back, because it's such a nice day outside. I see the little baby. Okay, let's begin the glow up. My face does not tan compared to my body. This is like my palest right now, but usually in the summer and the spring, I get pretty tan. I'm going to self-tan my face. I've only done this twice and it came out looking really good. I take like maybe 2 pumps of this. This probably is not the best brush to use because it's kind of hard to blend out, but I'm trying to focus in mainly the areas where I put bronzer at. I added tanner as if I was doing lip liner to my lips, and then also like my nose, a little contour. I look kind of crazy right now. just found all the old digital and hand cameras. I'm trying to charge them to see if they even turn on. I cannot find like the charger to this. I don't even know which one it is. This one says plug in power, but I don't know if that means the microphone or for this. And then this is the battery, but I cannot find the battery charger. I am determined to find this, but in the meantime, I need to take this softener off because it's getting a little too dark. Before I jump in the shower, I'm also gonna dye my eyebrows. I've been doing this for like a long time and it's like one of my favorite things to do. This is literally like men's beard dye. I just put in the color, the developer, and then I use an old eyebrow brush. Okay. Honestly, I barely put it on my brows. I like make it very light because the stuff is a little dark. Okay, this is the before. This is everything. This is like the whole aftermath of everything. I just finished my shower. It probably does not look noticeable to you guys at all, but trust me, there's like a very slight difference, which is what I was going for anyways. You'll probably definitely see the tan a lot more tomorrow. No way. This is what it looks like from the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it works though. And guess what? My mom found the charger to this one too. It just started pouring raining out of nowhere. That's how you know we're in spring. Continuing on with this spring glow up, I have a huge spring haul. Thank you so much to Lulu's for sponsoring this video. Everything in here just screams spring. I've already worn most of these items already. Like this shirt, it's also from Lulu's. And then the t-shirt I was wearing this morning is also from Lulu's. You're gonna see a big pattern of what I selected here, mainly just pink and white. Starting off with obviously what I'm wearing right now. This really cute cardigan. Also, it's super, super comfortable. Every single item that I have is really comfortable, but the material is so nice and so soft. I was scared it was gonna feel a little itchy, but nothing. It feels really soft. Like, that's why I'm wearing it for PJs. This gorgeous skirt. I do want to wear a lot more skirts this spring and summer, and this one is so perfect. I love this type of material. I don't even know what this is called. It's not see-through. It has another layer underneath. I love the little ruffles at the bottom. I think that's such a cute little touch. This top is so freaking adorable. Just look at the flowers. Like, and I love the color. Like I said, I've been very into pink this season. I mean, I've always loved pink, but I feel like I've been buying a lot more items that have pink in it. I love the puffy sleeves. The band fits perfectly around my waist. It stretches very nicely, but it doesn't feel like constricting. It just has a little tie in the front and then it just flows down, but it's so beautiful. Like, look at how pretty it is. It's very soft and very comfy. Again with the white, but this dress is gorgeous. It's so comfortable. I'm telling you, everything in this haul is very comfy. Just this beautiful, gorgeous knit dress. It has another layer underneath, so it's not see-through. Just look at the knit detailing. It's so nice. I also love how this is different than the chest area, and I also love the ruffles because I'm a girly that is a part of the itty bitty titty committee. Stuff like this is very flat to me on the side. This little ruffle adds some like volume, some like oomph. I don't know if that makes sense. If you're a part of the itty bitty titty committee, you know what I'm talking about. Just a little volume right there. And the straps are adjustable. It's nice and stretchy, and it's also the perfect length. I'm 5 feet and I could comfortably wear this dress without it like dragging on the floor. So that's like a big plus for me. Hello, monkey. I did not know that Lulu's has Levi's on their website, but they do, and they have cute Levi's. These are ribcage wide leg jeans. These are so flattering. I love the color. I've already worn these like I think 3 times already. I've gotten so many compliments on how they look. I was needing a new pair of jeans because the ones that I have are starting to not fit me, which is a good thing because that means I'm just filling my body with more loving food. So now I have new jeans and more room for more delicious food. Okay, I'm bringing it back to the pinks. I've already worn this and I've gotten a compliment by one of you guys asking me where this is from because it was so cute. It's from Lulu's. I'm telling you guys, this is the most comfiest cardigan I have. I didn't want it to fit me perfect. I want it to be like a little loose, so I did size up, and it's perfect. It's so soft. I wish you guys can feel the material of it because it's like incredible. The pattern is pretty, the color is pretty. Okay, the rest of the items are white. Look at how gorgeous this top is. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like these little, I think they're flowers. I don't really know what they're supposed to be. I'm just gonna say they're flowers because they look like flowers. Okay, another shirt. This one is a really pretty blouse. I love how there's like a little tie on the neckline. And then I also love the pattern on the sleeves. The little flower pattern, and then the bottom also has a little pattern, and the buttons. Oh, there's just so much cute detail in the shirt. I needed a really good pair of linen pants, and now I have them. I just love a pair of linen pants. I see them all over Pinterest during like the spring and summertime. So yeah, and then these ones are also adjustable and they're very stretchy. That is my whole Lulu's haul. I'll have everything linked in my bio below. If you're a first-time customer at Lulu's, you guys can use my code Isabella20 for 20% off site-wide. Again, thank you so much to Lulu's because I'm obsessed with everything. It is pouring outside right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna bake something right now. I'm gonna make a banana baked oat kind of thing. I'm honestly just gonna measure everything with my heart because it's gonna be small anyways. Some oat, flour, some peanut butter. I'm gonna do a lot of peanut butter. Some baking soda, milk. Pouring it in the mug. Look how cute this little mug is. This is the mug that we got my mom for Valentine's Day. And then now we put this little guy in the oven. Forgot to add the chocolate chips. Put them on there. I had to take it out because I forgot it needs an egg. I hope this turns out good. Freaking kidding me? This is so good. Ooh. Good morning. It's 7:16 right now. I have Pilates at 9:30, but it takes me about like 40 minutes to get to there. So I'm gonna leave at like 8:40. I feel like my tan is a lot more noticeable now. Pilates outfit. I'm gonna put this cardigan over though because I'm a little chilly. Let's head out to Pilates. Okay, I just finished getting ready. This is the outfit for brunch. I'm wearing the jeans from Lulu's. I really wanted to wear the skirt, but I don't know what we're doing afterwards. Like going to like bars or like bowling. I'm not entirely sure, so I just kept it simple with the jeans. But yeah, we're gonna leave right now, so let's go to brunch. I like this.